Hello girls, good morning. How are you all? So today we are going to discuss the topic functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so previously we have started endoplasmic reticulum as first cell organelle. Okay, so we discussed entire endoplasmic reticulum structure and the elements which make up the endoplasmic reticulum, and also we discussed yesterday about the endoplasmic reticulum types. Okay, and difference between RER and SER also we discussed. Okay, so hope you have understood. If you are not getting any single point also, you can contact me and you can ask me. Okay, so today we are going to finish the endoplasmic reticulum today. Okay, so today we are discussing the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Till now we discussed structure and the types. So what is the function of reticulum, endoplasmic reticulum? Okay, so guys, you can tell the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, you can guess. Here first we are going to draw the diagram here. Okay, so for example, I am drawing here the structure of nuclear membrane, double nuclear membrane. Okay, hope you have getting idea. Okay, so this is the nucleus which locate centrally in the cell. Okay, so I said to you now, endoplasmic reticulum, from where it is developing, it will be developed from the double nuclear membrane. Okay, so by the evagination process, the endoplasmic reticulum will be forming like this. Okay, the cisternae, I told you na, cisternae. What are the three elements which form the endoplasmic reticulum? Cisternae, vesicles and the tubules, right? If you are not getting, just please do watching previous videos so you can get what are the types we discussed and the elements. Okay, so endoplasmic reticulum is formed of by three elements: tubules, vesicles and cisternae. So that cisternae, it will be developed by the evagination process. Evagination means I told you na, so please do watching my previous video, you will get everything. Okay, so this is cisternae. By the evagination process, it will develop from the double nuclear membrane. Okay, from the nuclear membrane the cisternae is getting arise. Okay, lateral, these cisternae will have ribosomes. No, the cisternae will have ribosome studded. Okay, cisternae studded with ribosome on its surface like this. Getting? So ribosomes get studded on the surface of cisternae. Okay, later, by losing these ribosomes, they develop into tubules. Okay, these tubules will be little bit wider than the cisternae. Okay, so here let's draw the outer membrane for the cell. You can understand. So let us assume this is a cytoplasm. Okay, this is the nucleus. From the nucleus the cisternae is developed. Okay, by losing the ribosomes studied on the cisternae will be losing, and formation of tubules will be takes place that will be attached to the plasma membrane. So that's why we'll discuss now. Yes, here will be towards the plasma membrane, cisternae will be towards the nuclear membrane. We discussed in the previous video. Okay, so this is the structure. Okay, so this is a plasma membrane. Okay, girls, here listen. We are starting with the first point in the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Here, endoplasmic reticulum is acting as cytoskeleton. Okay, cytoskeleton. Endoplasmic reticulum acting as cytoskeleton. Did you getting what I am saying? Yes, cyto means what? Let's discuss first what is mean by this cytoskeleton. Cyto means it's related to the cytoplasm. Okay, cell cytoplasm. Skeleton means you know na, okay, so which gives a shape to the cell. Okay, so skeleton is nothing but a framework. Okay, framework to the cell. Okay, so the cytoskeleton, ER is acting as cytoskeleton. How it is acting as a cytoskeleton? Look here, the ER, okay, endoplasmic reticulum, which is developing from the central nuclear membrane and traveling towards the plasma membrane. Okay, like this it will be spreaded all around the cytoplasm in the cell. Okay, so this structure will act as a cytoskeleton and give framework to the cell. Okay, so these structures will give framework to the entire cell. Okay, that's why we said ER is acting as cytoskeleton, is one of the important function. Okay, so next important function what we have to discuss here, the ER is developing from the nuclear membrane, no? Okay, so whatever the substance, okay, or information which is getting or produced in the nucleus, it will be received by endoplasmic reticulum, and also the information passed to the other cell or other cell organelles. You getting? So ER helps in transport of information from nucleus to cell organelles. Okay, nucleus to cell organelles. Sorry for disturbance. Here, okay girls, here endoplasmic reticulum helps in transport of information from nuclear membrane to cell organelles. That means here not only endoplasmic reticulum cell organelle is not there, na, other cell organelles are also there. Okay, in the ultrastructure of animal cell, while we discussed, you have I have shown you all the cell organelles, no? So aside all the cell organelles will be present. So whatever the information is producing in the nucleus will be transported by ER to the other cell organelles also. Okay, here not only to the cell organelles and also to other cell. Okay, so that information, ER gives that information produced in nucleus to their own cell organelles, or also it can give that information to the other cell also. Okay, so this is the next second function. Then what is the next function? Here, you know, cisternae is studied with ribosomes. So ribosomes main function is what? Protein synthesis. Okay, cisternae will involve in the production of proteins. Okay, so here after losing ribosomes, the tubules are forming, and these tubules are involving in the formation of steroids. Okay, you getting? Lipids. This helps in the lipid synthesis. Okay, so whatever the cisternae and tubules are synthesizing, proteins and steroids, will also be transported by ER. Okay, so ER also helps in transport of proteins and lipids. Okay, so this is the this is the third function. Okay, next, what important function we can give for the endoplasmic reticulum? Here you have to remember one thing. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER, we have 30 enzymes. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum has 30 enzymes. So these 30 enzymes will help in biosynthetic activity. Okay, so these enzymes are take part in biosynthetic activity. So for example, what that enzymes, can you guess? So here like ATPase, okay, dehydrogenase, getting what I'm saying? Dehydrogenase, so etc. So these are the example enzymes I have just written here. Okay, so actually endoplasmic reticulum will have 30 enzymes. Okay, so that enzymes will take part in biosynthetic activity. So example that for enzymes is ATPase, dehydrogenase. Okay, many are there like 30. Okay, so next again, ER also helpful or take part in cell plate formation. Okay, ER helps in cell plate formation. Cell plate formation, when it will be occurs? Cell plate formation occurs during cell division. Okay, cell plate formation takes place during cell division, no? So at that time the cell plate formation will be take up by ER. Not only ER here, remember here ER pieces, ER and Golgi complex pieces, the pieces of ER and Golgi complex will take part in the formation of cell plate. Okay, these pieces of ER and Golgi complex is called phragmoplasts. These phragmoplasts will help in the formation of cell plate. Okay, during cell division. Okay, so next the important we can say cytoplasmic vacuolar system. So what is this cytoplasmic vacuolar system says here? This system says that entire endoplasmic reticulum will give or interconnected in the entire cell. Okay, is it right? So let's see here. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is first formed from the nucleus, centrally located nucleus. From it the endoplasmic reticulum is formed, right? So after that it has gone like this and attached to the plasma membrane. Okay, after attaching to the plasma membrane, here there are some vesicles, no? I said vesicles are also present. I didn't drawn here, but okay, so these are the vesicles. Okay, so these vesicles are connected with the Golgi complex. Golgi complex, whatever the proteins are developing or producing by the ribosomes, through the endoplasmic reticulum it will go to the Golgi complex. Through what? Vesicles. Vesicles are also connected with the Golgi complex, which is formed from the endoplasmic reticulum. Later that Golgi complex is again connected with the lysosomes. Later that connected with the mitochondria. So like this, entire in the cell, all cell organelles are interconnected. Okay, in the cytoplasm. So that's why the endoplasmic reticulum, these all things make up by whom? Endoplasmic reticulum. So that's why cytoplasmic vacuolar system. Okay, so in which endoplasmic reticulum helps in the interconnection of all cell organelles. Okay, here helps in interconnection of all cell organelles. Okay, so these are the important functions of the endoplasmic reticulum, whatever you have studied till now. What is endoplasmic reticulum, who discovered, structure, types, okay, elements which make up endoplasmic reticulum, all the things you have learned now till now. So everything, the endoplasmic reticulum, whatever we discussed previously, that only the functions now again we are discussing here. Okay, so these are some important functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Hope you understood all. Thank you girls. So if you are not getting any point in the functions of endoplasmic reticulum, you can contact me and you can ask me. Okay, so please do watching the video. Thank you.